Hello, today we are learning the herringbone half double crochet. I apologize in advance for the shadowing. It is a rainy day here and I've really struggled with lighting, but I think we can see everything good enough. So I'm gonna go ahead and move on with the tutorial. So the herringbone half double crochet is very similar to the half double crochet with a slight variation. And as you can see, it creates a slightly slanted stitch. And once you turn at the end of each row, it creates a herringbone effect. Another variation is if you're working in the round and choose not to turn at the end of each round, it creates a completely different look, which I really like as well. So let's get started. So basically you're going to start off just like you would with a traditional half double crochet. So you yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop. Now your traditional half double crochet, you would yarn over and pull through those 3 loops. With this one, you take that working loop on your hook, insert it into the loop that's right next to the hook, slightly, almost just like a slip stitch, and then you yarn over and pull through both loops on the hook. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through a loop, take that loop and pull it through the loop right next to you, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Let's do a few more. The faster you go, the easier it is to pull through that loop next to you. If you think about it too much, it gets a little difficult, but it does get a lot easier the more you do. So one more, yarn over, insert into your stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through that loop right next to you, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. So there you have it. It creates a really beautiful stitch. I hope you guys try it and work on a fun project soon. Have a nice day.